If you're trying to track the performance of your referral campaigns and want to make sure you're using the right tools, then this quick guide on how to track referral campaign performance with PartnerStack is for you. By the end of this video, you'll understand how to set up, monitor, and optimize your campaigns for the best results using PartnerStack's intuitive platform. PartnerStack is one of the most powerful tools for affiliate, referral, and partner programs. It allows you to seamlessly track everything, from signups to conversions, so you can scale your referral campaigns with ease. But knowing how to effectively use it? That's where we come in. Let's start by setting up your first referral campaign. When you log into PartnerStack, you'll land on the dashboard, which gives you an overview of your campaigns, partners, and key performance metrics. For new users, the platform offers an easy-to-use interface, so you don't need to be a digital marketing expert to navigate it. To create a campaign, just click on the Create New Campaign button, and you'll be asked to define your campaign type. PartnerStack allows you to run multiple types of campaigns, such as pay-per-sign-up, pay-per-lead, or pay-per-sale campaigns. You'll select what works best for your business model and audience. Once you've chosen your campaign type, you can customize the reward structure for your partners, ensuring that you offer competitive commissions that encourage them to promote your program. After setting up your campaign, tracking your performance is key. PartnerStack gives you detailed insights into your referral campaigns through its reporting tools. These reports show metrics like clicks, conversions, and revenue generated, all in real time. This helps you understand what's working and where to optimize. You can also break down performance by partner, campaign, or even specific promotional content, giving you full control and visibility over your efforts. Want to know if your referral program is reaching the right audience? PartnerStack allows you to track performance by demographic data and region, which helps you tailor your efforts more effectively. If certain partners are outperforming others, you'll get that insight right in your dashboard, enabling you to double down on what's bringing the best results. But the power of PartnerStack doesn't stop at tracking. You can also manage payouts directly through the platform, making it easy to ensure your partners are compensated on time. The automated system ensures there are no discrepancies, and you'll never have to manually calculate payouts again. You can also integrate PartnerStack with other tools you're already using, whether that's your CRM, email marketing platform, or your accounting software. This helps streamline your entire process, so you can focus on growing your business while PartnerStack does the heavy lifting. Now, if you're new to using PartnerStack or referral marketing in general, the best part is that you can get started completely for free. You can access PartnerStack through the first link in the description below, which also includes exclusive bonuses to help you get the most out of the platform. So now, you're set up and ready to start tracking your referral campaign performance with PartnerStack. The best part? You're not just tracking metrics, you're also using the data to optimize, refine, and grow your referral program. You'll be able to see what works, what doesn't, and make data-driven decisions to scale your business. Before you go, don't forget to check out the exclusive extended free trial available in the link below. This is a limited time offer, so take advantage of it while you can. PartnerStack is a fantastic tool for tracking referral campaign performance, and with this free trial, you'll have everything you need to get started. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking.